First step, put the chessboard on a stable table. It is important to make sure that power switch faces your low right hand side. Next, position the pieces on the chessboard. It is important to make sure that you put each piece preciously on the center of the square. And following the standard layout of chess, with the white pieces placed on the side closest to you. Once you finish positioning, power on the chessboard. If this is your first time using it, please charge the chessboard with the power adapter included in the box before use, or use it while powered. The chessboard will automatically calibrate whether each piece is placed correctly. Once the automatic calibration is complete and confirms that there are no placement errors, the chessboard will automatically enter sculpture mode, which is a demonstration of the games. If during the calibration process it detects that any pieces is not properly placed in the center of its square, it will not enter sculpture mode. At that point, you need to check the placement of all the pieces to ensure they are positioned correctly. Lastly, connect the chessboard to the Phantom app. You can download the app in App Store or Google Play. Before connecting, make sure the Bluetooth of your phone is activated. Open the Phantom app. Tap Start Scan. Tap Connect. Once it is connected, the app's main menu will load on your phone.